Good morning, babies. Hello, and welcome to another episode of Gardener Gone Wild. Hello, sweetheart. Last night we had a big storm with tons of rain and the wind. Oh my gosh, everything was being blown around, and I had to come out and check on these guys to see if they were okay, and they were. Hey monkeys, come on. And here we have Misty, who's checking everything out, aren't ya? Hey, keeping an eye on those babies. Hey. Hello. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, no you don't. Hello. Come here. Hello. Yeah. Back down you go. Oh, you. Ah, little rat bags. They like having a meal of fingers, don't ya? They're getting so big. Hey, darling. Right. Hello, Evie. And hello, Misty. Where's Evie going? Where is Evie going? Hello, Evie. Hey. Hello, Miss Evie. There's your babies in there. What a mess they've made. With all that food everywhere. Oh, coming to say hello. Whoop. Hello. Hello, Misty. You go. You like the camera? Here you go. Oh, I think someone wants... Come here, you. I might see if she wants to go inside. Have you had enough of playing out here? In we go. Back with the babies. Hi guys. Right, I've got to go and get more food for them. So thank you for watching this episode of Gardener Gone Wild with Evie and her little Evie-lings. I've got to give them some fresh water now and some more food because they're little piggies. So please like and subscribe, and I hope you continue watching our videos about gardening, nature, and just whatever pops up. So take care and see you next time. And it's a bye from Misty. Misty! Bye! Ah, silly girl. And just while I've got a little bit more battery left in my camera, have a look at our lovely spring flowers that have come up. We've got a beautiful tulip there, and of course our grape hyacinths have been up for a while. And look at this, beautiful. And we come over, look at our freesias, so pretty and just smells divine. Can't remember what this is, but oh boy, we've got lots of tulips coming up through our mustard. I might pick those tonight, the mustards, greens that is, and have those for dinner. And it's a bit of a higgledy-piggledy here, but lots of great hyacinths. And our beautiful freesias. Oh, the smell is so divine. Oh, our poor little pansies aren't doing too well at the moment, but I can't blame them. The weather has been absolutely horrible for the last few days. Supposed to be getting better, but it really doesn't look like it. There is some blue sky, but there's a lot of grey clouds, and it is windy and a bit cold. And in our shade house, look at that, all those beautiful cyclamen, and look at those. Got bromeliads here, and they're just flowering. Gorgeous, look at that colour. Look at that colour. Beautiful. Beautiful. And I've got more cyclamen in the house. They are doing wonderfully as well. But I think my battery is about to run out, so I'll say goodbye again. But I'm going to find more flowers. Oh, and look, our onion weed. Onion weed is fabulous for eating. People think of it, oh no, gotta get rid of it, but no, eat it. The leaves are just fabulous. Use it in place of onions or chives, cooked, not cooked, and the flowers can be eaten, nice spicy bite, and the bulbs can be pickled and eaten as little mini pickled onions. Yummy. A great resource, plus we've got some dandelions growing there. More good eating. Oh, look at all our onion weed. So good. We've got borage popping up there too. Oh, I've got to get eating, don't I? Definitely. It's a bit hard when there's just only me to eat it because the gardener is away, but I'll do my best. So I'm surprised my battery's lasting, the red light is shining, it's flashing away, and here we have our monsters. Hi guys! Hi! They're getting so big. Well, it's gonna have to be it for now. So, oh, hello Misty. Hello Misty. Come and check out the flowers, aren't ya? He's a good girl. This is Misty. She's our old kitty. She's about 16. Aren't ya? 16 years young. Has a bit of dementia. But she just loves hanging out with all the other animals. Don't ya? Good girl. Right. That has to be it. Okay. So stay wild, stay gardening, stay loving nature, and we'll catch you next time on Gardener Gone Wild.